This spore formation or the zoocyte formation is the process of reproduction of in the asexual method. Now the next is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. Now vegetative. What is the meaning of vegetative? Of course, it is mean with the vegetables or the herbs or the plant body. But propagation. What is the meaning of propagation? Propagation means to grow, to move forward, to grow. So the part of a body, of a plant grows to attain a maturity, to get into the same original plant or to grow into the parent plant is called vegetative propagation. In simple words, vegetative propagation is the process of growing a new plant from the various parts of the plant. For example, this vegetative propagation maybe what are the different parts of plant? Suppose this is the plant. This is the plant, okay. These are its leaves. This is the stem. This is the root. This is the flower, and of course there may be fruit also. This is the fruit. Okay, now this is the plant. These are the parts: root, stem, of course this is leaf, flower, fruit, etc. So vegetative propagation may be by the following parts, such as, of course, this is the common process of growing new plant from the seed, so we will not discuss about that. Now the remaining parts are root, stem and leaf. So this vegetative propagation may be from the root, from the stem, from the leaf, or it may be from the any part of the tissue. Got it? So vegetative propagation by root, vegetative propagation by stem, vegetative propagation by leaf, and vegetative propagation by tissue, and it has given a new special name, and that is tissue culture. Got it? Now we will start one by one. Vegetative propagation by root. We will start one by one. Vegetative propagation by root. Now dear students, it is very common, you have seen. So in plants such as potato, you have seen potato culture, growing potato. Now potato has eyes on it. However, it is a tuber which is on the root of the plant of the potato, that is cut. Suppose this is a potato and these are eyes. From there new shoot and root develops out, and we used to cut these parts and put in the soil, new plant grows. So this process by which a new plant is grown by the root of a plant It's called vegetative propagation by root, and it's found in the plants such as potato, ginger. Now, second is vegetative propagation by stem. Try to remember most of the crotons, crotons is garden plants, garden flowers, non-flowering plants, rose, sugarcane, etc. How they are grown? The crotons, the rose, the sugarcane, even many more are there. Now, how they are grown? These plants are grown by putting their stem cutting into the soil, and after some time, suppose this is the stem cutting of a rose, here are the nodes. After some time, flowers and new branches emerge out. This process is called vegetative propagation from stem. For example, rose, hibiscus, sugarcane, etc.